So the SoftScanner platform consists mainly of two projects, the backend and the front end, each having their own repositories. So let's take a look at these repositories to see what they consist of. So for both projects, we see a similar structure to the one we saw with the test application. We have the key features, the project structure, the setup and installation. We also have some details about the back end, for instance, the different endpoints, the workflow that one needs to adopt in order to make the application work, and different examples for the usage of the API. And on the front end, we basically mirror what we have on the back end while providing the setup and installation details for the front end on its own and seeing how it integrates to the back end. Before using SoftScanner, the target application does not have any modifications to its code base, and SoftScanner needs to make sure that these modifications, if any, stay minimal. So what do I mean by that? If we take a look at, for instance, the index.html file of the front-end project, so this is the main entry or the main page of the front-end application. As you see, for the time being, there are no modifications as indicated by VS Code. This is a fresh repository. So this is the original source code of the application. And we will see how this will change after using SoftScanner and what kind of changes will be introduced into the applications accordingly. And most importantly, automatically. One important thing to account for when you want to use SoftScanner is to properly set it up and install its dependencies and making sure that all the prerequisites are properly in place. Namely, when it comes to the MongoDB database, as this will be used as our telemetry data source where all the telemetry data and the assessments data will be actually stored. So make sure to have proper installation of MongoDB. You can also use MongoDB Compass for easy management, and make sure to create a database for the usage of SoftScanner with the provided information over here and with the proper collection. And your installation should basically look something like this. So we have the database in place and we have the collection called instrumented applications, which is currently empty. Now, let's see what the SoftScanner platform actually looks like and how it works.